How to zero the transmitter. In the project home screen, press Menu in the top left corner and select Configure Transmitters. You will now see a list of transmitters within range of your mobile device. The name of the transmitter will be the same as the ID code on the transmitter box. In this example, we have used A1DB. Select the required transmitter and this will display a pop-up screen. Now select Configure. You will now land on the configuration page. Press Go in the top right corner and wait for it to connect. At the top of the screen, in the middle, select Measurement tab. Now press 0 now at the bottom right corner. This will set the system 0 value so that the transmitted value will show 0 with the current applied input. Press Save in the top right corner and then press back in the top left corner to take you back to the linked transmitters page.